Welcome. Today we're going to show you a short review about Nobara and Bazzite, which distro is better for gaming. So, the first one we are going to talk about is Nobara. So, if you want a gaming focused Linux distro, both are strong but for different users. Nobara is based on Fedora and modified by Glorious Eggroll developer. It's best for PC gamers and power users who want to control. You get pre-installed gaming drivers and tweaks, better performance tuning, and more flexibility. But there is actually more bugs and more maintenance. So Bazzite is the best for plug-and-play gaming. Stable, Steam Deck style UI, and safe from breaking. But its limited customization and advanced changes are harder. So, in short answer, if you want maximum control and performance, you can get Nobara, and if you want maximum stability and simplicity, you can get Bazzite. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.